Next we are going to learn is string slicing. String slicing. String slices means take a substring from a given string and create a new string from the taken substring. What I mean here is that if I create a string apple here, store it in the variable s, I want to take a part of s and create another string called s1. I want to create another string called s1 which has this part of the string s, which has just ppl. So I want to take a part of a string to create another string. This is called string slicing. Now let's see how we do string slicing in Python. Suppose that we have a string s is equal to a string amazing, amazing. This is the string I have. If I write x is equal to s starting with 0 colon 3, it means that start extracting a substring from the index 0 of x and go up to 3 minus 1, that means go up to 2. So start from a and go up to this a and take out this substring from the string s and store it in the variable x. Press enter, type x, and we have AMA. If I write like x is equal to s in the square bracket right here 2 colon 5, that means start from the index number 2, go up to 5 minus 1, that means go up to 4. So 2, 3, 4. Take out these three characters of the string s and create a new string whose reference will be stored in x. So x will contain a string azi. Sorry, the variable name is x, azi. If I write s minus 7 colon minus 3, can you tell me who is minus 7? This is minus 1, this is minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. So start from the minus 7 and go up to minus 3 minus 1, that is minus 4. Okay, here you started from 2 and went up to 5 minus 1, that is 4. Here you have started from 0 and went up to 3 minus 1, that is 2. So here you start from minus 7 and go up to minus 3 minus 1, that is minus 4. So start from minus 7 and go up to minus 4. Which one is minus 4? Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and minus 4. So take these 4 characters in your output, AMAZ, and this is the slice of the string S. So that's how you can slice any string. If I write S square bracket colon 5, it means I have to start from beginning and have to go up to 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. So start from 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Therefore, the new slice of a string will be created using the characters AMAZI. If you press enter here, you have a string AMAZI. Similarly, if I write here is 3 colon, that means you have to start from the index number 3 and go up to last. So 0, 1, 2, 3. Start from Z. Start from the index number 3 and go up to last. Press enter. And here we have our string. Here we have our slice of the string. Suppose that if we concatenate S colon 3 plus S 3 colon, then we get complete string, because this one means starting from 0 up to 3 minus 1 means up to 2. Starting from 0 up to 2. And this one means starting from 3 up to last. Press enter and here we have the complete string. And this is valid for any index up to the length minus 1 of the string. Okay, this is valid for any index up to length minus 1 of the string. If you write here s colon 5 plus s 5 colon, it means that start from 0 go up to 4 and concatenate start from 5 go up to last. So 0 to 4 is here, whereas 5 to last is here. Press enter, again you have the same string. The same works with the negative indexing also. Like if we write starting from 0 go up to minus 3 and then starting from minus 3 go up to last, then again you will get the same string. So hopefully you are getting it. The string slicing does not always mean to take consecutive characters. Yes, you have to start from 1, you have to go up to 6, but here step count is 2. That means you have to start from the index number 1, pick that character at the index number 1, means pick the character M, then jump 2 characters. That means from the index number 1, go to index number 3 and take that character also. From the index number 3, go to the index number 5 and take that character also. So keep on jumping 2 characters at a time, keep on taking a character and create a new string by using the characters M, Z and N. Press enter and here you have a string created of the characters M, Z and N. So you can have a jump while doing string slicing. Similarly, if I write S, start from minus 7, go up to minus 3, but keep on jumping 3 characters at a time. Which one is minus 7? Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6 and minus 7. So this first A is minus 7 and you have to go up to minus 3, but you have to jump 3 characters at a time. So from the minus 7, jump 1 character, jump 2 character, jump 3 character. So start from minus 7, go to the third character after that. Z is the third character after that. Okay, so pick the character Z, pick the character Z, and then next character you have to pick is G, but G cannot be picked because you have to go only up to minus 3 minus 1 means minus 4. You have to go only up to minus 4. You cannot go more than that. So this was minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4. That's how you were able to take Z, but after that you cannot take any character from this string because this is out of range because of this limit of minus 3. That's how when you press enter you get A and Z in the string slice. If you write an index that is not present in the string, then you get index out of bound error. Try to extract a character from an index which is not present in this string. Try to extract a character from the index number 10 and here you got an error, index error, string out of range. But at the same time, if you try to slice a string starting from 2 up to 10, then this is not going to throw you an error. What it will do, it will start from the index number 2 and take everything after that. Even if the last index is only up to 6, but here in this case, it will not throw any error. It will start from 2 and go up to the character at the index number 6. So hopefully you are getting the concept of string slicing.